Good morning, TIPNs, and welcome back to the second episode of the Good Taste Podcast. I'm your host, Tristan, and together with me are the 6 BSIT students from the Technological Institute of the Philippines. Previously, we talked about technological innovations such as AI and how technology evolved our way of communication with one another. This time, let's talk about something different. Let's talk about biodiversity. So, Adrian, can you explain further what is biodiversity?
Basically, biodiversity is the variety of all living things on Earth, like plants, animals, fungi, and even tiny organisms, in the different environments where they live. Biodiversity plays a big role in keeping our planet healthy. It gives us clean air and water, food, and helps control the climate and diseases. It also helps nature recover from changes and disasters. So basically, in short, biodiversity is the foundation of life on Earth.
Yes, Adrian, you're right. Biodiversity also the reason why we have a lot of variety of food in our plates, from fruit, vegetable, and fish. Biodiversity provides the foundation of our diet. Each species gives nutrients that keeps us healthy and resilient. When we lose biodiversity, we lose those options. Protecting biodiversity means protecting the food security and health of future generation.
Since Adrian mentioned about biodiversity preventing diseases, let's talk about how biodiversity regulate diseases. So, biodiversity actually plays a big role in helping regulating diseases. When there's a wide variety of plants and animals in an ecosystem, it keeps everything balanced. Different species act as natural barriers that stop diseases from spreading too early. For example, if a forest has many types of animals or insects carrying diseases, they don't just primarily target humans. They bite other animals too. So I think that helps reduce the chances of diseases transferring to people. So when biodiversity decreases, like we destroy their ecosystem, the balance is lost. So we get targeted by those disease-carrying animals or insects.
Biodiversity improves our overall well-being by connecting us with nature and supporting our mental health. When we were surrounded by diverse living organisms, it helps us to reduce our anxiety, stress, and our depression. So, spending time in green spaces like going to Sunken Garden in UP Diliman can help us improve our mood and improves our creativity. So, to simply put, biodiversity has the capability to improve our peace and have a happy life.
You know, biodiversity plays a really big role in medicine discovery. A lot of the drugs we use today actually come from plants, animals, or even tiny microorganisms found in nature. For example, some painkillers and antibiotics were first discovered from compounds in trees, fungi, or marine life. When scientists study these natural organisms, they often find chemicals that can be turned into life-saving medicines. That's why protecting biodiversity is so important. It's amazing how nature provides us with so many resources. It reminds us that taking care of the environment isn't just about the planet, it's also about our own health and future.
Biodiversity is a variety of life on Earth but is being destroyed by human activities like deforestation, pollution, and climate change. To protect it, we can plant trees, reduce waste, protect wildlife, and use eco-friendly habits. When we care for biodiversity, we care for all life, including ours.
So that's it for our session for today, where we talk about biodiversity and why is it important in our society and how we can protect our biodiversity for the future generation. Remember to stay innovative, protect our mother nature, and see you next time.